Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is going to be day 3 of Vlogmas. We're going to try for 25 days of Vlogmas. You know, didn't quite do 31 days of Halloween, but I did do like 26, so we're good. Eye makeup is going to be day 4. Lipstick was yesterday. This is day 3 Vlogmas. I'm going to try. It can be like, Vlogmas apparently can be any kind of video, like normal videos. You just do them for 25 days, maybe have a little Christmas theme. So I'm definitely Christmas themed in my Christmas onesie. Way. So this actually came, this is not a Black Friday order. It was basically 2 weeks ago order, maybe a little bit more. And yeah, my back just went out, could not film it. So this is an Ulta haul. It's actually 2 of them. There's a reason why I ordered twice. I'll get into that. The first time I ordered, I was gonna wait for it. It was like before I probably went out, but it wasn't anything special. It was just a couple of things, but I ordered because they had, if you order something in their perfume section, like specific items, like perfume sets, you got like 350 bonus points. So I was like, oh yeah, you know, also your points mean cash off. So I was like, okay, I gotta order something. So that's pretty much why I ordered the first time, and it's like, it was just a really boring order. So I'll show you what I got. This qualified. This was pretty much the cheapest thing. I think it was like $9.50 or something like that. This is the Clinique Happy, and Clinique Happy Gelato Cream is $9.50. So by ordering this, I got 350 points. This would have normally just given me about like 12 points ordering it by itself, because I get like 1.5 times points maybe. So it basically comes like this little get bag, and I was like, well, I don't wear Happy, but I think my sister-in-law really loves Happy. So it's like a mini purse, right? It's not the sample size, but it's not quite a purse size. It's about half the size of a purse size. But Happy does smell good. I love Happy for a little bit more. But and then the gelato cream is just like a little lotion that smells really good. So, and then I had to get to 25 for free shipping, so I decided to order. I think these are on sale a little bit. These are Invisibles. There's 4 of them in here, and they're for power. They're the strong ones. High wearing comfort. I'm wearing like the one on my wrist. This one I wear all the time. More like for my nieces, you know, for their stockings as a stocking stuffer. I'll give them one each because they're freaking expensive. But I'll like give them one out of the package each, not like a whole package. So next up, I just ordered more of this Aquaphor healing ointment. It's therapy because I'm getting really low on my size, but it lasts forever, or like a good year. And I don't know if y'all know that, but I used it on this eyelid. For some reason, this eyelid will feel like it's just dry and stuff, and I'll go rub my eyelid thinking I'm getting like crusties out or something. Feel like there's something scratching, and it's actually not that. It's like my eyelid ripping. Like if I don't put that stuff on at night, if I don't put enough on at night, it does that really bad. Like a couple times here in my back, I guess I just didn't put enough on with all my back issues, or I was rubbing my eyes a little bit more or something. And it was happening. Like it gets inflamed red, and you can actually see a little rip and tear because your eyelid skin's very, you know, delicate. So that's the only side I have to worry about. That's the only side I have to put like a dab of ointment right there every night before I go to sleep. So it's a weird thing. One of my things. It's fine. Alright, the next time I ordered, so that was just like one order. The next time I ordered because it had a bunch of free gifts. I think extra points, like 4 or 5 times the points, something like that. And then it was like free gifts. So I was like, okay, I'll order something. I think you had to spend 30. But a lot of stuff was on sale, so I went ahead and got it. One thing I got, and I've already like used it 3 times, is Crest 3D white strips. This is a 20 strips of 10 treatments, removes 10 years of tough setting stain. Classic Vivid. They work really well. I've used them like 3 times. I did space them out like one day and a couple days in between the next one, because they will irritate my gums a little bit. And you don't put these on right after brushing, all that stuff. And see, I think my teeth are already whiter. I used to be really anal about using these, but that was when I drank Diet Coke constantly, like all the time. I was anal about using these because I never wanted my teeth to stain. Which, a fun fact about me, reason why I have never even tried a cigarette, well, besides they stink, marijuana, all that stuff, because I've never wanted my teeth to end up gross and stained. So, no. So it is. But I was like, my teeth are needing it. Tea, sweet tea, my hot tea in the morning. You know, food stains your teeth. So I was needing some help to get them unstained. So I bought these and tea, using it probably a couple more times a night. Then I'm good. I only use usually about a half a pack, if that. And then I stopped for a few months. But I actually haven't used them in years. Ordered, that was on sale for like $25. It's usually $37.99, $35.99. The ColourPop are like 30% off. And so I decided to get a couple that said that they are at least vegan, according to, like, you'd have to go through like every color to see which ones were, and definitely not the red or the purple. They might have had a pink, were not. I decided to try them. Not everybody loves them for some reason. I don't know if they smear or whatever. I haven't got to try them, but I decided to get Kiss and Teal, just a color mascara. It's like, you know, I could have used some of these. I need a white one, or maybe I just ought to get a white primer one for Halloween looks. You know, you never know. I think they're just adorable, that like little print on there. And then I got a yellow because the yellow is vegan as well. It's very hard to read the ingredients. I can read them in here better than I could anywhere else. But yeah, that's what the yellow one looks like. And they're thick. They're thick like tubes of mascara. So yeah, basically I got those for next year. I got a gift for a purchase of 30, and then this gift was either with purchase of, I can't even talk, 35, or was it perfumes? I don't know. But you got this red stocking. And it's like red and velvet. I knew it was going to be stocking, then you didn't know what was going to be in it. You just knew 3 things were going to be in it. So this is what is in it. A very small sample of La Vie Belle, which I do love. I love this perfume. It's a little bit more on the mature, not like old grandma, but a little bit, you know, for mature people. I love it for winter. It's my winter go-to perfume, like after Christmas. Yeah. Then I got the Philosophy Facial Serum Roller Uplift and Firm, which apply morning and evening on clean face and neck, follow with usual moisturizer. Yeah. I didn't look at it. I know it's like small. Like that. I don't know. I guess it's a roller. No, it's not a roller. I haven't tried it. Might actually just pass that along to my mom. A Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Y'all know I can't use this. It breaks me out every time I've tried. So I don't use that like the original. I love this stocking. I was more excited about the stocking than anything. This is so soft. And this is what I got in the big bag of free bag with $30 purchase. Like it's mystery. So I got from Maybelline is their last sensational sample. Can't use any of Maybelline past like the Great Lash, maybe one or two after that, but anything newer, they put Carmine in all their mascaras. So nope. And then I got a 5-in-1 Egg Mellow Cream, 5-in-1 Firming Moisturizer from Too Cool for School, which is interesting. May use it, you know. This says Talk Beauty to Me. These are actually handy for keeping all my extra products in. Okay, I got a sample from MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick Devoted to Chili, which I do love that color. This is like a blood red. Now, will I actually use this thing? No, I'm not gonna like open it up and use it, but I do like that color. I like MAC's matte lipsticks, so because they will last through eating and drinking. You will still have stained color on your lip at the very end of the day, and like just like a little eye. Fades gracefully. Okay, next up is from Nest Fragrances. This is the Body Mist collection. And it has bamboo and jasmine, ocean mist and coconut water, ginger and neroli, and grapefruit and verbena. And it has all your notes. I didn't even know they had body mist. I knew they had perfume, but like you get to try 4 of them, which is really interesting. That smells nice, that bamboo and jasmine. It's just what I'm smelling through there. I can't really smell that one, but I'm gonna try those out one day. Yeah. see how they are. Got a bitty sample of the Professional, like itty bitty one. I don't use that one because I didn't see any effect. My pores are like not holy pores. They're usually clog pores, so it doesn't really do anything for me. Or at least, yeah, it's fine. This is from Sweet Spot Labs. This is Vanilla Blossom Gentle Wash pH Balance. Oncologist recommended, made for your sweet spot. Great for your whole body. So, I think I had another one. I have no idea what happened to it. Did I give it to somebody? I probably gave it to somebody because I thought it was funny. This is Phyto Hoba. This is a moisturizing mask. That's in French and some other language. Spanish and I don't know what that is. Okay. The Phyto Beauty Routine for express care. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse for intense care. Leave on to 5 to 7 minutes depending on thickness of the hair. Okay, so this is a hair mask. And it's a good size. It's 1.76 ounces. That's a good size for a sample, which is supposed to be like a sample bag. This is like a travel size. But actually, masks you don't use as much. Looks like a hand lotion, like a metallic hand lotion, like the Body Shop have them in these things. So I'm actually interested in that. I haven't tried the Phyto brand, but I'm always interested in the hair mask. You know, I do those like once a week on my hair. Got a sample of Black Opium Intense, right? Okay, I love Black Opium, the regular one. I don't know if I smelled the Intense. Sensuality of coffee, surrounded by the aura of magnetism. Note of blue absinthe. The thrill of a mysterious and daring addiction. Try the new Black Opium, although perfume intense. Okay, smell. Ooh, that does not smell like regular Black Opium. That, oh, not vanilla bean oil. That one smells like, I want to say the one I have on in right now, the 1,000 Wishes Bath and Body Works. Yeah, like one of the, yeah, I think it's that, or Amber Blush. One of those two it smells like. I'd have to go compare, but yeah, like, yeah, that's what it smells like. Ooh, I like that a lot. Okay. Next I got a Smash Fix Photo Finish Primer. I'm guessing this is the original one. Little sample. I've got a Pure Melt Away Makeup Emulsifier Towelette. So Melt Away Makeup and nourishes skin with this petroleum-free makeup remover for all skin types. So it's a little makeup wipe. And I'm just going to stick it in here because I'll probably get use out of it. This is Bedhead and the Control Freak Frizz Control and Straightening Serum. Interesting, but again, I'm bad about using these. Derma E Hydrating Day Cream with Hyaluronic Acid and Green Tea. Again, I'm just bad about using these. I did try for a while. Now this one is interesting. Okay, this has 2 capsules. This is a serum. Every night it's a retinol before you moisturize. I'll probably give these to my mom and let her try them out. You like twist them and then retinol. She likes retinol a lot. Next up is from Ulta Beauty. It's a full size. This is the Bold Ambition Volumizing and Conditioning Mascara. Has no ingredients unless, okay, hold on, peel back. I can't peel it back to find out whether this has carmine in it or not, so you know, whatever. Next up, I've got Renewed Hope in a Jar from Philosophy Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Okay, little bitty sample again. All their samples are so itty bitty. Philosophy doesn't do good with samples. They're like itty bitty bitty. So that's interesting. I don't think I've tried that, so I'll give it a go. Okay, next up from Caviar Anti-Aging Replenish Moisture CC Cream 10-in-1 Correction Leave-In. You think CC Cream, you think it's for your face, but it is for your clean, towel-dried hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, so that's interesting. Ahava Desi Mineral Oil Hand Cream 1.3 ounce. I'm so giving this to my boss because I gave her like the big one I got in like FabFitFun last year. She loved it, so I'll give that to her. This is from Strivecting, is intensive eye concentrate for wrinkles. Intensively reduces the look of wrinkles, under eye circles, puffiness, and screen fatigue. That is so me. Use AM and PM. I only ever use PM, so you know this is actually a really, really good, or a decent size. This is like a regular kind of size of eye cream, except for Juice Beauty one was huge. This is 0.25 ounces, so just a decent size for eye cream. Take you a while to go through it. Next up, we have from Versace, Eros, just love, Cupid, Edo Toilette, and I was like, is this for men? I was like, look how cute that is. And I opened it up. I'm like, oh yeah, it's for men. Like, I smelled it. It's for men. But look how cute. Look at the attention to detail. Can you see it? Can you? Oh, hold on. There it is. There's the Cupid head. So yeah, giving that to my brother. Men's cologne. Next up from Origins, Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream. So another eye cream. I don't know if I've used this one or not. No, this one's definitely like half the size of the Strivectin or even less. It's 5 milliliters. Next up from Big Sexy Hair. This is Healthy Sexy Hair. This is Fresh Hair. This is mimosa flower extract and moonstones. How you put moonstones into liquid Lord knows. Air drying styling mousse. Worth 1 or 2 pumps evenly onto damp hair and air dry for a natural tousled look. How long it takes for my hair to air dry. But yeah, so I'll probably gonna pass this along to one of my nieces. You know, I decided to save a lot of these instead of giving them as gone for the past couple months. I said, you know what, I'm gonna save them for their stockings because they need like different kind of stocking stuffers than what the other kids are getting. So yeah, stocking stuffer. And last but not least, from CoverFX High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. Now I did have their dewy one, but I think it clogged up, so I hadn't really used it. I don't even know where it's at. It's somewhere. But I don't mind that. So this one's actually milky, kind of looking. It's not like uber clear. But that is cool. It was actually good setting spray, even like with all the shimmer in it. The glitter one was. So yeah, so anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna hopefully have some more Christmassy themed. Maybe even cooking. When y'all want to see cooking, like when I'm making cookies or something. Maybe live cooking, like around Christmas time. Because I'm gonna be out of work a lot of that time. So I have vacation days. So I always take them around Christmas just because I need the break. So yeah, it might be like live making cookies and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.